Morning, dear students. Today I am here with the next chapter, Changes Around Us. Objectives of this chapter are to make the students aware about the various changes around us, to make the students understand the reasons behind the changes, to motivate students to minimize changes which adversely affect us or our environment. Contents to be covered in this chapter are what is a change, types of changes, slow and fast changes, desirable and undesirable changes, reversible and irreversible changes, periodic, non periodic, physical and chemical changes, and at the end of the chapter, conclusion of this chapter. Dear students, everything in this world undergoes a change. We observe many changes around us in home, in school, in playground, and at all other places. In these pictures, you can see the melting of ice, growing of a plant, evaporation of the lake. When we look at the changes, we realize that every change has a cause behind it. Ice melts due to the heat of the sun. Plants use the energy of the sun to grow. So every day we observe changes around us. For example, the change of the day and night, flowering of the plants, ripening of the fruits, rainfall, change in weather occur due to the revolution of the earth around the sun. Similarly, the day and night they are caused due to the rotation of the earth. So now what is a change? Change is the transition of any substance from one form to another. Means it is a phenomena in which an object may become different in its shape, size, position, and at times even in its composition. So let us understand this with the help of an activity. In this activity, add a small amount of curd into a bowl of lukewarm milk. The bacteria that are already present in the curd convert the whole milk into the curd. It takes a few hours to convert milk into curd. So it is a slow process. So this can be the example of a slow change. Similarly, when we boil some milk and add small amount of lemon juice or vinegar to it, the milk will turn into a curdly substance, that is cheese. You have seen your mother making cheese at home also. The time required for this change is very small, means it took shorter period of time to uh, occur. So in other words, we can say the change of milk into cheese is a fast change. Now, what is a slow change? Slow change are those changes which takes a long time to occur, means which took longer duration of time to occur. For example, the germination of the seed to form a plant, growth of a child into an adult, and further into an old man, and the rusting of iron. These are the certain examples of slow changes. Fast changes. Fast changes takes less time to occur or occurs instantaneously. For example, burning of the paper, bursting of balloon, burning of matchstick. So they take lesser period of time or shorter duration to occur. So they can be known as fast changes. Now, what is the difference between slow and fast change? Slow change, the change that takes place in a longer duration of time, are called slow changes. Fast changes are those that takes place quickly or in a shorter duration of time. Examples of slow change can be changes of seasons, growth of a plant, rusting of iron. Similarly, the examples of fast change are burning of a paper, lightning of a bulb, cutting of an apple. So these are the certain changes that takes place in our day-to-day life. Now there is one word beta rusting of iron. Now what is a rust? Rust is a reddish brown substance which is formed due to corrosion of the iron. So, rust is formed when iron reacts with moisture and the oxygen present in the air. We prevent these articles or these objects of iron by painting them, by greasing them, or covering the iron objects with a layer of zinc metal. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.